Okay, let's talk about a superpower. Seriously, it's one we all have, but we hardly ever use it. The power to choose how we respond instead of just reacting. Today, we're going to figure out how to stop running on autopilot and start making intentional choices, and all it takes is about 3 seconds.
Come on, you know the feeling. We've all been there, right? The second the words are out of your mouth, you're just like, oh no, wishing you could literally pull them back out of the air. That sinking feeling of instant regret? Yeah, that's exactly what we're going to tackle today. Let's give this a name. We'll call it the reaction regret. It's what happens when there's absolutely zero space between something happening to you and you reacting to it. But here's the secret. There is a hidden space in that moment, a tiny little gap you can learn to control.
This quote right here is the whole game. Look, it's not about trying to avoid things that tick you off. That's just impossible. It's all about finding and stretching out that little space between the trigger and your action. Because that tiny little gap, well, that's where all of your power is hiding.
So why is it so incredibly hard to find that space? Why do we just snap? Well, get this. It's not a character flaw. It's not because you have a short temper. It's actually a feature of your biology. Let's peel back the curtain and see what's really going on inside your brain.
The main culprit has a pretty cool name, the amygdala hijack. You can think of your amygdala as your brain's smoke detector. When it senses a threat, and it doesn't care if it's a saber-toothed tiger or just a really annoying email, it yanks the emergency brake and completely takes over, shutting your logical brain down. And if you look at this chart, you can really see the battle happening in your head. You've got the emotional brain. It's instant, it's automatic, it's all about reacting. Then you have the logic brain. It's slower, more thoughtful, and it's designed to choose. In a hijack, guess who wins? Speed, every single time. Your logic brain just gets left in the dust. Now this right here might be the most important number you learn all day. 3 to 6 seconds. That's it. That's all the time it takes for that rush of fight-or-flight chemicals to start fading away. This is our biological window of opportunity. That little pause isn't just a nice self-help idea, it's a scientific requirement to get your rational brain back in the driver's seat.
Okay, so we have this 3 to 6 second window. How in the world do we actually use it in the heat of the moment? Well, with a super simple, practical tool called the traffic light method. And believe me, it's just as easy as it sounds.
So here's how it works, in 3 simple steps. First, the trigger happens. You see red. Your only job? Stop. Just freeze. Don't say a word, don't do a thing. Then, amber. This is your 3-second pause. You just breathe. This is you taking back that space. And finally, green. Your thinking brain is back online. Now you get to choose how you want to move forward.
And this is why a traffic light is such a perfect mental model. Think about it. Red means stop, amber means wait and get ready, green means go. We've had this drilled into our heads our entire lives. By applying this simple, ingrained visual to our emotions, we create an instant mental shortcut to a much smarter response.
All right, you've got the science, you've got the tool. Now it's time to actually put it into practice. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is all about mastering the pause.
So here's your task for today. I want you to try the 3-second rule. The very next time you feel that flash of anger or frustration starting to bubble up, I want you to physically stop what you're doing. Just freeze and silently count 1, 2, 3. Then you can decide what to say or do. It sounds so simple it's almost silly, but trust me, it can change everything.
And to help you remember this, just visualize this little pocket pause card. At the top, red, stop. In the middle, amber, breathe. And you can even use a little mantra here like, I am in control of my response. And at the bottom, green, choose. It's the entire method, right there in your mind's pocket, ready whenever you need it.
So I'll just leave you with this question. Think about your day ahead. A tough conversation, a stressful meeting, maybe just dealing with your family. What single outcome could you completely transform with just one intentional 3-second pause? The power is right there, waiting in that space. You just have to claim it. Like, subscribe, and share. Make sure to comment which subject you'd like us to cover next time.